Hey everybody, what's going on? Dennis Anthony, and first off, thank you for taking the time to get my free Internet Marketing Profits book. While you allow 10 to 15 minutes for that book to get delivered to your email inbox, if you are serious about taking your affiliate marketing business to the next level, you absolutely need to start setting up sales funnels, okay? If you haven't already, I've been working with ClickFunnels one-on-one to get you guys all access for 14 days for free. That way you can get in there and start setting up your business, start setting up automated sales funnels, okay? The age-old time of sending people directly over to our affiliate offer and our affiliate pages is dead. You need to get them into your system, into your funnel, so you can start working with these people one-on-one, and that way you can start driving more sales to your affiliate offer. That link is gonna be right down below. Go ahead and get started for free. 14 days, guys, and until next time, I will see you guys on the inside.